BLAZE's map feature provides an intuitive way to visualize your system's layout. Ready to create a new map? First, click View, plus button, and Add Map. Now click Add Background to upload your desired image. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Next, drag your cameras from the device list on the left to their correct locations on the map. Adjust the size of the camera icons and use the arrow and arc shapes to set their field of view. You can activate Show Motion Detection in Flash. This will make the camera's field of view flash green whenever motion is detected, giving you a quick visual alert. Now give your map a name and save it. In View mode, you can monitor your devices directly from the map. Click a camera icon to see a Details panel pop up where you can instantly review recorded footage. If you need to make changes, switch to Edit mode. You can change the background color with the color picker or adjust the devices on your map. If you have maps for different floors of the same building, you can group them together for easy management. Simply select multiple maps, right-click, and choose Create Group. You can then rename the group to something clear and easy to understand.